New at 5:30, Planned Parenthood in Franklinton is now closed. The organization says the last year they have lost $10 million in federal funding.
They say that loss of funding is now trickling down to clinics and staff members. 10 TV's Tara Jabbour has our story.
Planned Parenthood has officially closed its doors here along West Broad Street. The organization says they had to let go of about 17 staff members because of funding cuts.
Planned Parenthood of Greater Ohio says about 40% of their patients used Medicaid. But after the big beautiful bill passed over the summer, those patients were no longer allowed to go to Planned Parenthood. They say that change in the volume of patients has led to closing the clinic in Franklinton.
Have to lay off staff is an incredibly hard decision for Planned Parenthood of Greater Ohio. All of this is in order to continue to stay open, to see our patients, and we are continuing to work with our supporters.
Lauren Blauvelt, Executive Director of Planned Parenthood Advocates of Ohio, says that closing the clinic that provided health care for people in Franklinton is difficult.
Birth control, any kind of birth control that a patient that works for the patient, cancer screenings, pap smears, STI testing and treatment. We also provided primary care. We provide pregnancy tests and other wellness exams.
Mike Gonadakis, chairman of Ohio Right to Life, says there are other health care options.
We're blessed in Central Ohio with great health care options, especially for low-income women, pregnant women in this case. So Planned Parenthood is not needed.
Gonadakis says there is another option for women just blocks away.
There is a ministry called Lower Lights Ministry, which is a federally qualified health center in Franklinton, just a couple streets away from the now closed Planned Parenthood, that has grown leaps and bounds. Countless women, children, pregnant, low income.
Planned Parenthood of Greater Ohio says the lack in funding won't stop them from doing their work.
And, we're looking at every opportunity for the future to stay open, to serve the community. That's why we have the virtual health center open.
And Planned Parenthood says all patients that have come to this Franklinton location will now be going to their location in North Columbus. Reporting in Franklinton, Tara Jabbour, 10 TV News.